Alpha News.
Եթե երկրորդ մեղադրանքը մինչև անհիմն է,
If the second charge is as unjustified as the first,
կմոգոնեն երրորդ
aren't you concerned they may add on a third one
իշխանապողություն, մինչև նոր ընտրություններ,
to keep him in incarceration until the authorities, the power changes next elections?
Absolutely.
They're
in Disneyland.
The
The prosecution is in Disneyland. They can take any ride. There's no limit to their imagination. It is I want to say this, it is one of the great privileges of my life to represent Mr. Karapetyan. And it is also a great privilege to work with a supporter of the Armenian Apostolic Church, which has such a unique history, both with respect to children of Christ and the history of the Armenian people. I have represented churches, off and on, the Orthodox Church, all my career, at different times. And I think part of what I find so upsetting about this case, it is that it's a personal attack on a man who was commemorating the death of a parent. And to me, this defies all sensibilities. It's almost unimaginable. And I have no words to express my disdain for charges to be brought at such a time. Let alone that they are completely absent of any possibility that they were intended to relate to the overthrow of the government. Study history. This man was with his family mourning his father. When people want to support a coup, they're in front of thousands of supporters, stirring them with passion. This is ridiculous.